How to show device audio files on YouTube Music. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to show device audio files on YouTube Music. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the YouTube Music app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can simply scroll down and tap on settings. Now here, once you're inside the settings, you can just tap on download and storage. And now here in this section, you just have to turn on this option that says show device files. Now here with that, you can just go back, and from here you can just tap on the library tab, which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. Now here, once you're inside the library section, what you can do is you can just search for the device files options at the top. So there, just tap on it to view and play the audio files stored on your phone directly in YouTube Music. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.